What's up, guys? We are here at Epcot, aka the Experimental Prototype Community of Tomorrow. That's obviously not the Universal Globe, and this is our first time here, so come along with us for an educational entertainment blast. So this video is going to be like half voiceover, half walking through the parks. First thing we did today was test track. That was the first time we got on there. Obviously, first time we've been here at the park.
It's really cold.
It just so happened on that Florida morning that we woke up to about 59 degrees, so that was a little unexpected, and we were definitely not dressed for that.
Eyes beyond the horizon.
Yeah.
I like that girl.
The whole thing really did feel like an advertisement, but you really pick up some speed and like some sustained acceleration on that ride. It's a lot of fun.
So after we rode Test Track, we went over and we did Mission Space. It is a simulation of a rocket launch where we just did the green side because we did not want to vomit. So we just went around Earth.
Unfortunately, we did not capture any footage from this ride, mostly because we were trying not to throw up, so that was that. And apparently, according to some scientists, this is a pretty accurate depiction of going to space.
So we're gonna head over to ride Remy's now. We have a lightning lane for it, so we're gonna head over to France and see Disney's second favorite mouse. So Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. It is a inside dark ride, super cute. It has a ton of forced perspective in there. You feel like you're really tiny, like you're the little mouse. And I loved it. It was so adorable.
That's jellyfish! You're good. And I'm thinking jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
Once you get off the Nemo attraction, you exit to a massive aquarium. If we had more time in our day today, we would have definitely spent more time there, looked around and explored some of the exhibits. But if you have time, if you have kids, I think it would be worth it. So we just got off of Nemo. It's kind of like a slow-moving omni-mover, kind of like the Haunted Mansion ride. It's pretty good. She wore her Nemo stuff.
Swimming. We also did Turtle Talk with Crush while we were over here with riding Nemos. We are big children, however, it was not for us.
It's for the little ones.
But it was cute.
Some, like the water lily, thrive in wet, swampy areas and water. Some of our best ideas have been inspired by nature.
So we just got off of Living with the Land, which is about an 18-minute educational boat ride, and I had a blast. I'm not going to be one of these people that say Living with the Land is the greatest ride here, but I'm not going to say it's not.
Next up is Journey into the Imagination with Figment. Rumor has it that it's a little creepy.
Dean Higgins, attention, Dean Higgins. Your class is now ready for you in the science lab.
See how 5 human senses can help capture your imagination. Oh, can I go too? Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste. Tastes like chicken. Can I go? Please, please, please.
No, I don't want you out of my sight.
Outside? Okay. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Figment, you are not to interfere with the tour. Our first stop is the sound lab. We'll begin by testing your hearing with a series of tones. Left ear, right ear. Left lab. I hesitate to send you into the touch and taste labs. Perhaps I should end my open house right here.
Great idea. We'll go to my open house instead. It's much. Now here's a real open house. Come on in. Imagination is the brain's open house. You said it, Doc.
One little spark of inspiration is at the heart.
Just got off Figment for the first time, and I have a new outlook on life. Not sure if it's a positive one, but it's a new outlook.
It was fun. It's a little creepy. 10 out of 10 would ride again. So we're on our way over to Soarin'. Soarin' is a simulator where you just kind of feel like you're going over every country, but it doesn't give you that simulator feeling where you get that like nausea feeling. Your feet are just dangling. And it's really cool. It's a fun experience.
Soarin' ended up being a sleeper. We had a great time on there. I heard a lot of people say a lot of good things about Soarin' before, but to experience for yourself was great. Didn't capture any of the nature on the screen, but did capture that squirrel going behind the trash can.
I have no idea what this
And now you're ready to start your healthy day. They can take you anywhere. Since you like to read, you're getting the exercise that you need. Sensors in your brain will keep track of your...
We just got off of Spaceship Earth, which is the globe right there. I'm not holding it. But we experienced the evolution of human nature. That was crazy. And it gave us a little animation of what our future is going to look like. You ready?
Yeah.
So we just got off Guardians of the Galaxy, and that's the whole package. Worth the price of entry just for that one ride. You have a detailed queue system. The pre-show is incredible. The ride is insane. It's got a killer soundtrack. What more do you want? Headed over to Moana's Journey of Water. We've actually never seen Moana. We started it about a week ago and got about 10 minutes in and fell asleep. We spent a little time over here, but truthfully, we did not want to get too wet, so we came in, got some footage, and got out of there. If I had to do it over again, I would definitely come back at night. I've seen some footage where it looks beautiful at night. But I will say that this is the most themed, the most interactive splash pad I've ever seen, so there is that. We didn't get any footage on our walk over, but we made our way towards the World Showcase, where we started out in Mexico, rode the 3 Caballeros, and got lunch. We ate at the San Angel Inn. I had a couple drinks and a pretty hearty meal. Right after, got on the boat ride and enjoyed that. We may have skipped Norway, but we made our way over to China and looked around there a little bit. The day was starting to get away from us, so we kind of had to hurry here and there. But we did make our way to the show building, Reflections of China. Just got your taste of circle vision. What you think?
That made me dizzy.
Somehow through the research of getting everything ready to go to Epcot, I missed that there was a whole model train section. I'm not a huge model train fan, but I love the detail on all of this, so I definitely spent some time trying to get some cool shots of all the model trains. That was an unexpected little treat.
Hi.
As the sun was starting to go down, we had to hit a little speed run going through Germany, Italy, America, Japan, and Morocco. But we do make sure to spend enough time to at least try something from each country, even if we don't like it. As the sun officially went down, the UK pub was extremely crowded. So we went outside. I thought we were taking a picture, but I guess this was a video.
Probably.
If there's one thing I've learned from this Epcot trip, it's to make sure you spend time in the park at night. Even though we've already been in Mexico, it's nice to kind of circle back and everything kind of takes on a new light, literally. All day long, the Frozen boat ride had an astronomical wait time. So our plan was to hop in line for that and we'll finish up our park day there. Luckily for us, the wait time didn't take that long. So once we got off the ride, we booked it. We hustled. We had to sprint from time to time. But we made it over to Guardians of the Galaxy for our second ride of the day. And what better way to finish your way at Epcot than look at one firework, just one, and then ride Guardians of the Galaxy. We just ran out of line for Frozen, so over here to Guardians of the Galaxy with 4 minutes to spare. So the park is closed, and that's it for Epcot.
Thanks for watching. We're here at Guardians of the Galaxy. We're gonna go save the universe real quick, but If you like this video, like and subscribe, and we would love if you would follow us.
Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a great day. Bye.